Hi, I'm Steve Giovinco. I'm an artist from New York and here in Vicksburg to photograph the old mill. I'm interested in capturing kind of mysterious and lyrical night landscapes. So I'm working mostly at nighttime or really mostly in the dark. As an undergraduate, interested in film and writing, but realized I was a terrible writer and didn't like to work with other people as a filmmaker. I usually work by walking around a place and becoming as familiar as I can, and then go back maybe night after night to try to capture whatever the essence of the thing that I'm trying to find there. And it usually takes like knowing the place thoroughly or as much as possible and photographing it again, or like witnessing the light, or when, oh, there's a shadow that comes in at a particular time, or, oh, I should really position the camera in a different place. So I'm really kind of coming back time after time and just kind of learning as much as I can. The mill is a really interesting and unusual space to work in. It's really amazing. It's almost like an urban setting. It's almost like New York, where everything is kind of like right angles. So that's also part of the challenge with the project too, to find something that's not always like, right straight on. Part of the process of going back and back again to find where that right place is. I'm interested in whatever change that happens. So it's interesting to see, even while I've been here, like 2 or 3 areas have been completely torn down and being, changed and shifted while I'm here. And that's even interesting to witness the change and to see that and to try to sort of capture that a little bit as well.